Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to clone the Git repository. So we have a code at this link. So we want to clone the Git repository. So first you have to install the Git from the downloads, this link. Then open the Git GUI. Then go to help and click on show SSH key. Then no keys are found initially. Then click on generate key. Once you click on generate key, you will get the pop-up window like this to enter the passphrase. So don't enter anything and click OK. Again, it will ask to enter the same passphrase again. So don't enter anything and click OK. Then your key is generated in the user's username SSH. Okay. Once the key is generated, then in this window, the key is populated here in the initial window where we opened initially here. So same window will get the key here. Okay, generated key. Then copy the key to the clipboard. Okay, then go to the Git bucket. In personal settings, click on the SSH key. Okay, in personal settings here, click on SSH keys. Okay, then click on add key. Okay, guys. Then paste the above copied key and give a label here. Okay. So this key you have to paste here and you have to give the label here. Okay. Then click on add key. Okay. So create a folder in which you want to need to clone the repository. Then right click on the folder and select. Then use this command git clone. Okay. -b feature slash the username, then git big bucket and this folder where you want to clone. Which folder you want to clone, that folder you have to give here. Okay, then it will get cloned to your personal folder. Okay guys, this procedure is not in the Google, so uh, we put some effort and we formed a standard instructions so that it will be useful for everybody. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi tutorials for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.